Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to resolve an issue that we may face when we try to set a flutter on our system for the very first time. So this is the issue, and these are two issues basically. So let's have a look at the issue first. So I will open the command prompt and I will type flutter doctor, and basically this command shows these two errors, or you can say misconfigurations, kind of misconfigurations. So you see everything is set up except these two. It says it found issues in one category, and the category is Android toolchain, and these are the two issues that I just copied from here and pasted in the notepad. So first of all, to resolve this issue, the first one, you need to open Android Studio. I just installed Android Studio for the very first time on my machine. Okay, so this is the screen that you will see when you open Android Studio, and I am on my machine with Windows 10 installed. So here you will click on more actions and go to SDK manager, and here in the languages and framework click on Android SDK, and then go to SDK tools and click on Android SDK command line tools. So this is something that this error was also referring to, that these command line tools component is missing. So you are going to install this from Android Studio. So after checking this Android SDK, click on apply, and it will download the required toolkit and install it. So click on OK, and now you see this is downloading, and it will install this SDK on your machine, and the first issue or the warning will be removed. So we'll wait for a couple of seconds until it's done. So now it says it's done, so we'll click on finish and click on OK, and now again run the same command in command prompt, and hopefully this first cross will be gone this time. It will only show the second issue, that is about accepting the Android licenses, and it says it. Okay, so now the only issue we are left with is this, and it says some Android licenses are not accepted. To accept those licenses, it is also offering the solution as well. So you need to run this command, flutter doctor -- Android licenses, paste it here, and okay, and just run this command. Hit enter and run this command, and you see now, and review licenses that have been not okay. Press Y, press enter, again press Y, enter, press Y, enter, yes, enter, yes, enter, yes, enter. All SDK licenses accepted. So now we will run the flutter doctor command again to see if we are left with any of the issues. So hopefully all the issues will have been resolved. So you see no issues found. So this is how you can resolve these two issues while setting up Flutter on your machine, on your system. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Bye bye.